We're going to show you how to diagnose and how to spot a bad ignition coil. What you need to do is first you need to start up the car and observe the engine and see how much it vibrates. We're going to do that in a second. Next, what you want to do is locate the ignition coils. So in this car we're going to remove the engine cover. So in this car we have 3 coils on this side and 3 over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to unplug the first one, and we will see if this makes a difference. So if the engine gets worse, that means that coil was working. So we're gonna have to plug it back in and move to the next one. So let's do that. So the vibrations were a lot worse. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna plug this one in, and that means that one is good. We're gonna move on to the next one. Vibrations were still really bad, so we're gonna also remove that one. As you can see, this one didn't make a whole lot of difference actually, and the reason is because this one was unplugged to begin with. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the car off and plug that one in. Now you can see the engine is running very smooth. That coil itself is actually good. It's just that it was unplugged, and that's why the engine was running so rough.